Are 2022 WRX wheel spaces worth it? As a 2022 WRX owner, you might have wondered if wheel spaces are a good idea for your car. 2022 WRX wheel spaces are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub, increasing the distance between the two. They can improve the appearance, handling, and clearance of your 2022 WRX. But are they worth it? Sure! One of the main reasons why people get wheel spacers is to enhance the look of their car. Subaru wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, giving your WRX a more aggressive and sporty stance. They can also fill in the gap between the wheel and the brake caliper, making your brake more visible and attractive. Another benefit of wheel spacers is that they can improve the handling and stability of your 2022 WRX. By widening the track width of your car, wheel spacers can reduce the body roll and increase the cornering grab. They can also improve the steering response and feedback, making your 2022 WRX more responsive and fun to drive. Subaru wheel spacers can also help you fit larger wheels and tires on your car. If you want to upgrade your wheels or tires, you might encounter some clearance issues with the stock setup. Wheel spacers can create more space between the wheel and the suspension component, allowing you to fit wider or bigger wheels and tires without rubbing. If you decide to get wheel spacers for your 2022 WRX, you should consider some factors before buying them. One of them is the quality of the wheel spacers. You should choose wheel spacers that are made by reputable brands and designed specifically for your 2022 WRX model and year. You should also check if they are compatible with your wheel's bolt pattern, center bolt, offset, and rivet. You should avoid cheap wheel spacers that might not fit perfectly or safety on your car. BONOSS Subaru wheel spacers are worth running. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Subaru wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is true that the designs are exclusive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantages of the BONOSS Subaru wheel spacers is the FT cooling. The Subaru WRX wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grills to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grills allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is your best choice.